Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not showing on Clash of Clans. So now how to fix or how to solve photo profiles not showing on Clash of Clans. You should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.